Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about trick to write electronic configuration. You are watching my YouTube channel Chemistry Tutor. Before going to discuss the topic, like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates of Chemistry Tutor HR, and don't forget to share with friends. Opah Principle. If we want to learn about the electronic configuration, so we need to learn about the Opah principle. The Opah principle dictates the manner in which the electrons are filled in the atomic orbitals of an atom in its ground state. The Opah principle, from the German Opah Principle, also called the Opah rule, states that in the ground state of an atom or ion, electrons fill atomic orbitals of the lowest available energy levels before occupying higher levels. For example, the 1s subshell is filled before the 2s subshell is occupied. This is Opah's scheme. If we want to fill the electrons in an atom, so we can follow this scheme. First we will fill the 1s subshell, then 2s subshell, 2p, 3s, and you can see the arrow are indicating the pattern of filling the electrons in the orbital. So if you want to learn about the electronic configuration, you need to memorize this scheme to fill the electrons in an atom. If it is difficult for you to memorize the Opah scheme for the filling of electrons in the orbitals, then you can learn this trick to write the electronic configuration. You need to learn this sequence: SS, PS, PS, DPS, DPS, FDPS, FDPS. Easy way to memorize this sequence is school, school, public school, public school, daily public school, daily public school, follow daily public school, follow daily public school. Next step is to give the numberings to all the subshells. The S subshells always starts with 1. So wherever S is there, we will give the number accordingly. 2S, next S will become 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S, 7S and 8S. Next is 2P. P starts with 2. This thing you will keep in your mind, that P always starts with 2. So 2P, next P will become 3, 4P, 5P, 6P and 7P. D always starts with 3. You need to remember this. 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. F always starts with 4. So 4F and 5F. Once you are done with this sequence and the numbering, now it will be easy for you to write the electronic configuration. Now one more thing we need to learn is how many electrons can come in S subshell. So S subshell can occupy 2 electrons, P subshell can occupy 6, D subshell can occupy 10 electrons, F subshell can occupy maximum 14 electrons. You can put less than 2 but not more than 2 in S subshell, less than 6 but not more than 6 in P subshell, less than 10 but not more than 10 electrons in the D subshell, less than 14 but not more than 14 electrons in the F subshell. Now let's fill electrons in some of the atoms with the help of this trick. Oxygen, which has atomic number 8, so it's mean that 8 electrons are present in the oxygen atom. So first we will take 1s, and in 1s we will put 2 electrons because S can occupy maximum 2 electrons. Once 1s is completed, so we will move to the next, that is 2s. So 2s2, again 2 electrons we will put. Now 8 minus 4, 4 are left, so next 4 will come to the 2p. So in 2p maximum 6 electrons can come, but here we need only 4, so we will put the remaining 4 electrons in the p subshell. So in this way the 8 electrons are completed in oxygen atom with 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. If we take the sodium, which has atomic number 11, so now again we will take 1s, because in s 2 electrons can come, so we will take 1s2, we will move to 2s, 2s2 and then 2p. Here 2p will come 6 because total number of electrons are 11. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, total 10. 1 electron is left. So the next subshell will be 3s. In 3s, because s can occupy 2 electrons, but here only 1 electron is left, so we will put the remaining 1 electron in s subshell. So it will become 3s1. So in this way the electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. If we take the example of magnesium with atomic number 12, so its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now 2 electrons are left, so 2 electrons will come in 3s with 3s2 electronic configuration. So this is easiest way to write the electronic configuration of different elements. Now I am taking the D block element, which is iron with atomic number 26. We will follow this trick again. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 till here it becomes 20 electrons. The remaining 6 electron will come in 3d because D subshell can occupy maximum 10 electrons. Now next is cobalt 27, so we will fill 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and the remaining 7 electrons will come in the D subshell. So in this way you can write the electronic configuration of all D block elements except exceptional cases like palladium, chromium and copper. In my upcoming videos I will tell you about the exceptional cases as well. I hope now it will be easy for you people to write the electronic configuration with this trick. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it will be helpful for teachers and students. For further interesting chemistry videos, stay tuned with Chemistry Tutor HR.